Hi everyone, here you've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A and let me show you how to turn on and then turn off the Talkback. So first of all, let's get into the settings, then let's scroll down and find additional settings and here choose accessibility. Here let's tap on Talkback and turn on the accessibility. Click on allow and as you can hear, the Talkback now is on. So now I will show you how to navigate with this mode on. Simply tap once until you'll see a green frame and then double tap to get back. To scroll down or up, simply use two fingers and if you want, then tap on something to get some information about that. So if you want to turn off the Talkback, then simply you've got two options to choose from. You can, for example, as you can see here, simply hold volume down button and volume up button together for 3 seconds and it will turn off this mode. So let's try this. Yes, and as you can see, it is now off. But if you really cannot do that, then simply I will show you how to turn it off. Simply click on the switcher and you have to double tap. And your device will ask you if you want to stop Talkback, then simply click on stop and double tap again. And now it is off. So that's all. This is how you turn on and off the Talkback in your Xiaomi Redmi 9A. And if you like this video and if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.